Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix malware infections with Symantec. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your computer is connected to the internet. Access your desktop and locate the Symantec application icon. Double-click the Symantec icon to launch the program. Once the application opens, look for the scan option on the main dashboard. Click on Scan to view your scanning options. Choose Full System Scan to thoroughly check your entire system. Before starting the scan, close any unnecessary applications to optimize performance. After closing other applications, click the Run Scan button. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take some time, so be patient. Once the scan finishes, review the results displayed on your screen. If any malware is detected, you will see a list of threats. Select each threat to view more details about it. Click the Fix or Remove button to eliminate the identified threats. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions for further action. After the removal, perform a quick scan to ensure there are no remaining threats. Once the quick scan is completed, review the results again. Consider enabling real-time protection if it's not already activated. This will help prevent future infections. For ongoing protection, regularly update your Symantec software. You can update by going to the Live Update option in the menu. Click Run Live Update and wait for updates to install. After updating, restart your computer to apply any changes. Finally, make it a habit to run regular scans to maintain your system's health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.